friends. Welcome to episode 1 of the Co-ordmandments. I am Evelyn, the Co-ord girl, and this is a brand new series where I'm going to be giving you my set principles, or as I like to call them, Co-ordmandments. You get it, like commandments? Co-ordmandment number 1 is one set is never one outfit. The beauty of sets is that you can mix and match them with other things in your closets. I'm going to take this really cute sheet mesh embroidered set that I have, and I am going to create 5 different looks for 5 different occasions with just this one set. And here's look 1, date night. So this is the set and the way it's intended to be worn. Super, super cute. I paired it and styled it with these really cute heels that I got from Aiirz probably about 10 years ago. The mesh has a little stretch to it, so it's really good. Like, look, you can drop it, and come back up. Before we get into look 2, I just want to say each of the looks will have 2 elements of the original 4-piece set. So just keep that in mind. Look 2 is for Sunday brunch. I took the top and the tie and I paired it with my favorite cut of Levi's jeans, which is the ribcage cut. And what I did with this one is just to add a little jazz to the look. I took the tie, instead of tying it traditionally, I tied it as a bow. Love that. I also styled them with my cute little, pretty little thing, strappy sandals. So cute, so chic, and get into it. Here's look 3, and the occasion I selected for this is going out on the town. So I took bloomers, of course, the skirt and the tie, and I paired it with this cute little top from Old Navy. Styled it with these really cute boot shoes, sandal boots from Aiirz. I thought they add a little zhuzh, a little spice to the outfit since the skirt is so dainty. Here's look 4, and this one is for a day party. So for this one, I kept the skirt, I kept the bloomers, that's part of the set. I paired it with this Talladega Nights t-shirt, which I absolutely adore. I paired this also with the Evelyn May Jordan 1s. Adore these shoes, these are my favorite. Love, love. Here is our final look, look 5. This one I like to call the plot twist. And so I was browsing on the site one day and I saw this sweatshirt and I was like, that looks like the same pattern, same embroidery as my set. Let me order it. And me being the coordinated queen that I am, I had to get it. And when it came in the mail and I paired it with the skirt, I was like, oh my gosh, it's absolutely perfect. And so it matches so seamlessly. And I also styled it with these cute Aiirz heels, which I adore. They are very high, very tall, but it doesn't feel like that. It feels like you are walking in flats. I like to say I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! And don't it feel good? All right, friends, that was one set, 5 different looks. Which one was your faves? Tell me in the comments. To reiterate, Co-ordmandment number 1, one set is never one outfit. These are the principles that we live by and the Co-ordmandments that keep us coordinated. Co-ordmandment number 2 drops next Wednesday. A hint, it's all about color. I really don't know how to wink.